Hi everyone, we have annual democracy report out now by Varieties of Democracy Institute of Sweden. Okay, this has a title called Autocratization Turns Viral. Okay, so this is the title of that report, which is Annual Democracy Report by Vedam Institute, or in extension we can say Varieties of Democracy Institute, which is of Sweden. Okay, this is the fifth report released by Vedam Institute. They have surveyed around 202 countries, which is from 1789 to 2020. And in that report, they have data about India also. Actually, before this report come to the media, we had another report which is by Freedom House of the US. Okay, the Freedom House of the US report is Freedom in the World report. Okay, in that report it is said that India in the category of partly free country. Okay, so we have already a setback by being in the partly free country or partly free listed by the Freedom House's report, that is the Freedom in the World report. Okay, so after the report, after this Freedom House report, we have another report out now, that is this Vedam Institute report. Okay, and in that report it is said that India has changed from world's largest democracy to electoral autocracy. Okay, so India's status has been degraded from world's largest democracy to electoral autocracy. Okay, and also not only this report, we have another report in that, which is by Reporters Without Border. The report is Press Freedom Index. In that report, India has been placed along with China, Russia, Iran and Saudi Arabia, and India got 142nd rank out of 180 countries. Okay, so this is in another report, that is by the Reporters Without Border. In their Press Freedom Index, India got 142 out of 180 countries. Okay, so altogether we can come to a conclusion that India's democracy has got a hit. Okay, that is our image being the largest democracy got some kind of damages all over the world. Okay, so in this report itself they are saying some reasons. Okay, one is that muzzling of media, another one is that overuse of defamation, sedition laws and UAPA against journalists as well as people who are voicing their opinion against the government. Okay, so these are some kind of the reasons why India's image has been turned off. Okay, and it also says that India is now autocratic as that of Pakistan and is worse than Bangladesh, Nepal, etc. Okay, so this is very, in effect this is creating a very bad image of India all over the world, because India's democracy has been changed to electoral autocracy. Okay, that is what is the report is saying about India. And if we are looking at the global level, overall we can see that there is a decrease of democracy all over the world. And if we are taking the statistics or the rank from 2010 to 2020, we can see that liberal countries has been decreased from total 41 countries in 2010 to 32 in 2020. Okay, so there is a decrease in the status of liberal countries. Okay, more and more countries are getting autocratic, and electoral autocracies are a common trend at present, because earlier itself in the report said that India has changed from democracy to electoral autocracy. Okay, so all together all over the world we can see a shift of democracy to electoral autocracy. Okay, even though there is electoral processes is taking place in a country, the government is turning into some kind of autocratic setup. Okay, and if you are looking at the statistics all over the world, there are about 16 democracies, 25 autocracies, and the electoral autocracy being the majority share, there are about 87 electoral autocracy. Okay, so even though there is a large shift of democracy to electoral autocracy and majority of the countries are falling under electoral autocracy, they are also suggesting that there should be a lot of freedom for the press and also for the people who are voicing against the or voicing their opinion against the government. Okay, so in terms of India, we also have to take care, because in most of the reports which is released across the globe, the image of India is getting decreased, or we are getting a bad image all over the world, because in India it has become common that media as well as people who are voicing their opinion against the government are often getting targeted in the name of defamation or in the name of sedition laws or in the name of UAPA. Okay, so this is the thing which reduced the rank of India in all these reports. Okay, so we have to, or the government or all over India has to take care of these kind of things in order to get a better rank in these kind of indexes and ranking system. Okay, so this is the ranking for India in this report, and we have to keep in mind which is the organization giving this annual democracy report, and also India's ranking in all these report including the press freedom index. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.